Yo, ladies and gentlemen, we back again. If you are new here, we react to hip hop, South African hip hop, strictly nothing else. Anyway, we are here for U7 EMOYENI, the EP. Yeah, and Sonwabile dropped long awaited EP. We finally here, so everything is set. We dressed for the vibes. The t-shirt and the tie, check. Shake, check. Chiller's punch, check. And this big as Vaseline. I don't know why, but if you know, you know. Let's quickly check it out. It's your boy Extra, etc., etc. Please subscribe if you are new to this platform. Subscribe, like, do what you gotta do, man. Let's check out Sonwabile.
I'm doing the cigarette. You didn't buy this goddamn cigarette, asshole. Hey man, shut the fuck up sometimes.
You ain't really that blue, hush. I heard that you broke, hush. Your money is silent, hush. She giving me throat, hush. She giving me knowledge, hush. I stay on the road, hush. Got too many mileage, hush. Ain't selling my soul, hush. Already got Molly, hush. You think you that blue? Yes. You not, hush. You think you that girl? Yes. You not, hush. You think that you him? Yes. You not, hush. You think that you her? Yes. You not, hush. My money talk a lot, yeah I pop. Yes. They don't see me now, who's your cup? Yes. They don't feel me now, I so bad. Futu mele na, sa so bad. My gun yeah pala, they go fast. When they catch you, better duck. When they catch you, better duck. You ain't bulletproof, you gon' die. Call for your mom, call for die. My diamonds too bright, zippy zaza. Make your whole sing, Lady Gaga. They letting me cook, these all by saw. They letting me cook, these all pop.
Hey man, shut the fuck up sometimes.
You ain't really that blue.
Yo, this brule. Whose style is this, bro? Like, yo, hold on. Whose style is this? Like, where did he get this thing? Because now the person now I'm hearing it from this is a bit of K Kid, but he's always been on this bag. I hear now K Kid writing this thing, and it's easy to assume that it's her thing. Where did it? And Spooder, shout out to Spooder on the beat. You know, it's very important to get just those people, man. You can't always do everything on your own. I think Spooder is very, very important to this guy. You know what I'm saying? Spooder is really that brutal. The others, I don't know, but it's a diss track to whoever, but this thing has been coming like, I don't wanna spew in the Aaron by hearing really that brutal. Hush. So yeah, I'm not here for that. I'm just here for the music. God damn. He's spazzing. He can trap this guy, but differently. This not I'm used to. Like, niggas don't trap like this. God damn.
I heard that you broke, hush. Your money is silent, hush. She giving me throat, hush. She giving me knowledge, hush. I stay on the road, hush. Got too many mileage, hush. Ain't selling my soul, hush. Already got Molly, hush. You think you that blue? Yes. You not, hush. You think you that girl? Yes. You not, hush. You think that you him? Yes. You not, hush. You think that you her? Yes. You not,
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
man. We pay when I'm going to cigarette. It is by.
Whoa. Smoother.
Say that you hurt. Nah.
Yo, go spam a verse here. That is too long. Yo, go spam a verse here. That is too long. Go spam a verse. You know what I'm saying? That is like, yo, how many seconds is that motherfucker? That's like 10, 11 seconds type shit. Spam a verse there, bro. That's your time. It's your time. Don't stay hush.
Imagine being able to build an app with your...
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, this must be gag boring, bro. This must be gag boring, bro. Okay, what's the next song? Sorry, I'm so sorry. What's the next song? I'm so sorry about that. You don't get bored or I lost my order, didn't I? I just lost my order, didn't I? But the next song is Bad Day. My guy has 2-minute songs, one minute something songs. My guy think is extension. Why am I saying it like that? Extension. What? Extension. How do I usually say it? Like, what the fuck? What's the normal way to say it? Not just extension thing. Extension.
Alright. I'm having a bad day. Worst day. I'm having a bad day. Worst. Alright. Okay. I made a hit on a bad day. I made a meal on a bad day. Clapping your hoe on a bad day, yo. Alright. Yo, I'm kicking it back like a sensei. I'm eating it up like a bright flame. My body got air like a pack of legs. Right. Hey. Where the pots at? Sauce Ramsay. Where the ice at? In my vein. Megalo brand un nigga la tie. Money I say I feel on my be inside. Call me class guy, yes I make it right. Money and bitches I go both ways. Money and bitches I ride alright. Hey. Right. I'm with your dolly, she moody. I fell asleep on her boobies. I roll a blunt like a sushi. Alright. Hey. Money stretch long, call me Luffy. I'm keeping my...
Yo, did you do what on the boobies, bro? God, hey! Did you do what on the boobies, bro?
I fell asleep on her boobies. I roll a blunt like a sushi.
What my aunt gotta do with this? What she gotta do with this? It's already enough. You said you don't want the commander, you want the latte. It's already enough. You done, bro. Get the fuck out of the studio, nigga. You done. You made a song on a bad day. Worst. You made a song on a worst. You done enough, bro. At this point, the song is chai, bro. At this point, the song is chai, bro. You don't even have to do all this shit. God, at this point, we done, bro. You just put that shit on loop and it's done, bro. What the fuck?
I say I feel on my be inside. Call me class guy, yes I make it right. Money and bitches I go both ways. Money and bitches I ride alright. Hey. Right. I'm with your dolly, she moody. I fell asleep on her boobies. I roll a blunt like a sushi. Alright. Hey. Money stretch long, call me Luffy. I'm keeping my treasure in one piece. Buy me a whip, what's the lease? Alright.
I know. That's the anime reference right there, like a One Piece. Money longs are stretches like loopy. That's, if you know, you know. I'm sure you homies know. Fuck. Nah, he's spazzing. There was one nigga that said his rap sounds like what? Rustations. If you know Rustation, that was wild. That was crazy. Let's go.
Hey! I made a hit on a bad day. I made a meal on a bad day. Clapping your hoe on a bad day, y'all. I'm kicking it back like a sensei. I'm eating it up like a bright flash. My body got in like a pack of legs. I made a hit on a bad day. I made a meal on a bad day. Clapping your hoe on a bad day, y'all. Alright. Yo, I'm kicking it back like a sensei. I'm eating it up like a bright flash. My body got in like a pack of legs. Alright.
Millions of people invest in stocks and commodities.
I'm having the worst day, bro. Like the worst day, bro. The worst day, bro. I'm sure Spuda wasn't done there, bro. Spuda wasn't done. Spuda is cooking. He's showing up. Hold on, what's the next song? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about that, y'all. I'm really sorry. It doesn't usually do like this. Like, I usually listen to the EP like on YouTube in one thing. Like, yeah, but now I have to go from song to song. Sis. Okay, Sis is the next song. Let's check it out. But god damn, those too harsh and bad day. Oh my days, bro. Go Smoother.
Sis. They told me the shit that I smoke stank, sis. He told me to leave his bitch, damn, sis. I'm making a noise with his whip, damn, skit. I'm making her coins, shit, don't talk about we.
Yeah, I'm planning to make all the coins, don't talk about Z's. We still in the kitchen, I'm making this shit like quiche. They said that we making that noise, so fuck that piece. I'm still in the table, I'm eating some little beef.
Oh damn, it's my turn out. Yeah, Swoop was fucking up, bitch, my turn out. Whole lot of crips, we stand out. Getting the money, I stand out. Getting the ice on my neck, I stand out.
My turn out, packages full, Mandelas. They got two cavelas. Look at my feet, balega.
Run, I hop on a beat and it's done.
Don't check out my bitch, you a bum.
Get you some money, bum. They told me the shit that I smoke stank, sis. He told me to leave his bitch, damn, sis. I'm making a noise with his whip, damn, skit. I'm making her coins, shit, don't talk about we.
Shout out to EMOYENI. Shout out to EMOYENI. I hear you, Spoo, on this one. I hear you. I like it. I fuck with this because now it's I like the in that. Hold on. I want to get this one right. Interchange. Is it? Did I get it right? Chat, did I get it right? Oh, not even. Chat, did I get it right? W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Interchange of the verses. Did I get it right, chat? W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W, is that a sub? Is that a sub? W's in the chat. It's a practice, y'all. It's a practice. If I would feet. Oh.
I got their drip. I got their body. We got their guns.
His body is the next song. That would be nice. His body is the next song. Oh, with Spuda. Let's go.
We got
These
their
niggas my sons. These niggas my Google guys. Smoking a blunt. Feel like a rasta.
I say a whole lot of verses, niggas is preaching, feel like a pasta.
Stay in the kitchen, cooking it up. Hasta.
She stay in the streets, I'm down in your sheets, I'm down in your baba. Clock it, she wanna pop it, stop it, she wanna gossip. Lil' baby got fine friends, fine shit, meeting me back at the lobby. Lil' baby got mind games, if you peepin' this shit, it's a whole lot of optics. The street friends of the ice age, if you look at my neck, it's a whole lot of bodies.
Smoking a blunt. Feel like a rasta.
I say a whole lot of verses, niggas is preaching, feel like a pasta.
Stay in the kitchen, cooking it up. Hasta.
She stay in the streets, I'm down in your sheets, I'm down in your baba.
My girl, yeah, baba. Yours, we look like pop. My girl is a quarterback. She back it up like hey. I'm cold as a cooler. No wait, I'm hot as a salsa. I'm straight as a ruler. No wait, I'm straight as a shrub pot. Wachisa ganga ganya basa. Wakini ganga ganya vasa. Makuma ganga kangaka ndiyajayiva ndaphandla kangaka ndiyashayina kwatshisa kangaka ndiyabasa kwaklini kangaka ndiyavasa kwaqhuma kangaka ndiyajayiva ndaphandla kangaka ndiyashayina. These niggas my sons, these niggas my goo gagas, smoking a blunt, feel like a rasta.
I shot a whole lot of verses, niggas is preaching, feel like a pasta.
Stay in the kitchen, cooking it up, whoa, hash that.
She stay in the streets, I'm down in your sheets, I'm down in your baba.
Remember, this man once said, he's not about that life. This thing of you want what do you call it? You want context from his raps. You want what you call lyrics. He's not about that life. He wants to vibe. And his EP, the previous one, he ain't talking about none. He's just wildin'. And this one, it seems like he's just wildin'. Spuda, I'm giving you my flowers. No, not my flowers. What the fuck we gotta do with my flowers? I'm giving you your flowers, brother. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with what you're doing, bro. You know, I know Shona already has flowers from everybody and all that, yeah, because he's that shit. He's that guy. But yo, shout out to Spuda, boy. I'm giving that shine to your baba. Boy, you too much. You too much. You're nice with it. Bodies is fire too. I like the flow. I like that. Bodies is fire too.
I got
Can't play it twice, bro. What the fuck wrong with you? I know not to. One song isn't played, man. Oh, I think it was Letwain. I haven't seen that one. Letwain. And this one. I think this one was made on stream. This one. Behind these shades, I'm closing my eyes. I have closed my eyes. So it's a big ass sigh.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Fuck.
I'm talking about cocaine as in like the drugs between. I'm talking about like, you feel me, white girls, you see what I'm saying? Between.
We build a spam. Latin scam. Latin trap. Latin get your dollar. It's the back zona. It's the back boy. I'm Angola. Dollar twin.
Wait, I got money now, type shit.
Yo, this shit is gonna go crazy on TikTok, bro. This one is gonna go bonkers. Yo. This one is gonna go bonkers, bro. I'm telling you.
I got bread now, type shit. Fuck your bitch now, type shit. We the best, bro, type shit. I run the city now, type shit. I'm big dog now, type shit. We the best, nigga. We the best, bro. Twink.
What is that? Is that a total reference? With a bash, bro. We the bash, bro. You the bash, bro. That's a total reference. A shout out to Sona. You the bash, bro.
Twink.
I wanna stand up, chat, but they were at the bottom. I only got the t-shirt on, so you know what I'm saying. Shout out to Sona. 7 EMOYENI. It's a nice EP. I fuck with it. It's a vibe from zero to what? From zero, from 1 to 5. I think it's 5 songs. Shout out to Sona. Shout out to Spoo. Shout out to who's this guy who's featured there? Little twin guy. Shout out to that nigga as well. Shout out to who else is featured? It's only 3 people. Okay, except I don't know, Chad. I don't know, Chad. If I have the vibe man to actually be a streamer, you know. But I like this. I like me listening to the music, you know. I enjoy the music, you know. And I'm much inclined with what's going on. Hangihlal Polas, Mocho, Begumnandu Balab. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?